How to organize your photos on a Mac. So if you want to organize your photos on MacBook or Mac, then before you begin, there are 3 steps that you need to do. So first is update your Mac to the latest version of Mac OS and set up iCloud on all of your devices and make sure that you are signed in with the same Apple ID. Once you've done, let's begin. So in the library tab, you can see view of your best moments and browse by years, months, days, or all photos for your complete library. Great. You will have the years option right here, and then months, days, all photos. You will have the organized view. And here on the left side, you will also have the library, memories, people, places, favorites, recent, imports, and recently deleted. And you will have all of these albums. So under the years, if you go with the years, then you can view your entire library of photos and videos that you've taken each year. But if you go to the months, see the group of photos and videos taken during each month by memorable events and locations. Click the More button to show a map of where the photos were taken, or play a memory movie created from your favorite movements. And if you go with the days option, then you can browse your best photos of the day and watch some of your videos automatically play as you scroll. You can double click a photo and scroll down to see its location on a map and the people in it. And if you go with the all photos, then you can see your complete photo library, including your screenshots and duplicate photos in the order where they were taken. You can also use the showing menu in the photos library so that you can see only what you want. For example, you can choose to show only photos or only videos. To filter what you see, go to the Photos tab, click on the Showing pop-up menu, then choose an option. To undo the filter, click the Showing pop-up menu, then click All Items, which is here on the upper right. You can go with the Showing, and you can go with the drop-down, and you can choose all of the options. So if you go to the Memories tab, you can simply click on the Memories. Under the Memories tab, you will have Memories and Favorite Memories. So you can view a collection of your photos and videos under your Memories. You will have the Album section, so you should simply go with the Albums, which is right here. And under the albums, you will have the albums that you have created. You can browse our photos albums, shared albums, and automatic collections of different types of photos and videos like panoramas, selfies, slow-mos, time-lapse, and everything. And if you want to create a new album in your Mac, then open up the Photos app and choose a file, and you need to go with New Album. Enter the album name, then click on the library in the sidebar. Drag the photos and videos from the Photos view into the new album in the sidebar. Or if you want to add photos to an existing album, then you can just simply open the Photos app, drag the photos and videos from the Photos view into the new album in the sticker. Drag photos and videos from the Photos view into the new album in the sidebar. If you want to manage your albums, then you just need to simply go with change name. If you want to change the name of an album, then control click the album, then select rename album and change the name, and then press the return key. To rearrange the albums, drag an album in the sidebar anywhere you want on the list to sort the photos in an album. Control click on the album, then choose a sorting option like keep sorted by oldest first or keep sorted by newest first. And here on the upper right, you will have the search icon, right? You just need to simply click on the search, and then you can search for the videos or images. Click the search bar, which is on the upper right corner, then type what you're looking for. You can search for an event, like concert that you've attended, or you can find photos in the library of a specific person or a group of people. Here you can go with the people option, or places, favorites if you want to go with your favorites. You can simply choose the categories, and you can go with imports. And this way you can organize your albums, or you can organize your photos in your Mac. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.